everybody, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a creamy crock pot chicken. 4 ingredients. That's it, folks. That's all you need is 4 ingredients. I am going to add a 5th ingredient because I'm going to add some fresh crushed garlic. All you need is 1 cut up chicken or 4 boneless chicken breasts, 1 envelope of dry Italian seasoning, 1 8-ounce package of Philadelphia cream cheese, and 1 10.5-ounce can of cream of mushroom soup or cream of chicken soup, whatever you prefer, and your Dutch oven and your oven. Isn't this pretty cool? I got this the other day. It's really heavy. It's an enamel cast iron in the shape of a heart. Paris Hilton makes these. Well, she doesn't really. I can't even see her cooking, but I can tell you one thing, her cookware is phenomenal. This is a 4-quart, so this is a smaller one. This is perfect for the 2 of us. But I have some of her bakeware, and this stuff is amazing. It is heavy duty, nice quality, cooks well, cleans well, washes well, wears well. Really love it. So we're going to make this out of the best from the Nevada cookbook. This was sent to us by a subscriber because we recently went to Vegas. And like I said, this is only 4 ingredients. I'm adding a 5th. Simple, simple, simple. We're just going to place all the ingredients in the crock pot or the Dutch oven, and we're going to make sure that it's done. That's kind of really it. It's a very flexible recipe. This is just amazing. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is you're just going to place your chicken in the bottom of your pan. And we're going to set that oven to about 325 degrees. We're going to cook this a little slow. Got the rack in the middle. Going to open up and place our whole block of Philadelphia cream cheese right on top of this chicken. Got my chicken kind of spread apart in there. I'm just going to put that whole block of cream cheese right on top. Bloop! Just like that. Like I said, this recipe calls for it being in the crock pot on low until the chicken is done and the gravy is smooth and creamy. You can serve it over rice and mashed potatoes. I'm going to do it in the Dutch oven. Why? I don't know. Just because I guess I got that brand new pan and I want to test it out. All right, so we got the chicken. We got the Philadelphia cream cheese. We're going to go in with the can of cream of mushroom soup. You can put cream of cheese soup. You can put cream of chicken soup. I just want mushrooms in it. I waste not, want not. It doesn't say to add any water or milk, but I'm just cleaning out my can. I want to get all that goodness down in there. Gonna sprinkle on top the entire packet of Italian seasoning, dry Italian seasoning. I can't talk today. I have a little bit of a cold, so, you know, just bear with me. Apologies. We like garlic, and besides, garlic's a good antioxidant for being sick, so I'm going to go ahead and throw in this fresh chopped garlic that I have just sitting in my refrigerator before it goes bad. Again, this is a 4-ingredient recipe, so when you get the chicken, the Italian seasoning, the Philadelphia cream cheese, and the soup, you're done. You just let it go in your crock pot or your Dutch oven. But I'm going to add garlic, and I think I'm going to add a can of mushrooms as well, because that just sounds really good. So I'm going to go with the button mushrooms, the little whole mushrooms. I have sliced, but I want the little whole mushrooms in here. It's all what you want, folks. You can do what you want with this. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of mix this a little bit. Really, there isn't really much you can mix yet. Once those chicken juices start going, then you can mix it together a little more once the cheese starts melting and stuff like that. But just give it a little bit of a stir in there. I'm going to put this in the oven. Like I said, 325. I'm going to let it go for about an hour. Take it out, stir it up. Check back with you. Don't forget that Paris Hilton love. It's been in for about an hour at 325. We're going to pull this out and stir it around. All right, so there's what it looks like. Just going to stir the chicken and make this a nice creamy mess here. This stuff smells so good. This is going to make some awesome gravy. Put this over some noodles, mashed potatoes, rice, whatever you want. We're just going to put it back in and let that chicken kind of marinate in there, cook a little more, and break apart. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? And it smells even better. And the taste, oh my gosh. This is like heaven in your mouth. Put this over some rice or some mashed potatoes or some noodles, and you have a simple one-pot, quick and easy, 4-ingredient recipe. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Appreciate y'all.